Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create audiobooks using Elevenlabs AI. If you want to create professional quality audiobooks using Elevenlabs AI, the process is surprisingly simple, but doing it properly requires a few important steps. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to turn written content into a polished audiobook using Elevenlabs AI voice technology. First, go to the Elevenlabs website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, create an account and choose a plan that supports long-form audio generation, since audiobooks typically require higher character limits. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the Audiobooks section. Then click on the option that says Create Audiobook. Here, you can upload a document to convert or even import a URL link as well. If not, you could also choose the new blank audiobook option on the lower left corner. Select the voice you want from the list. If not, you could also browse more by clicking on Find More Voices. This is one way. Another one would be to click on the Studio button on your dashboard. Then click on New Blank Project, and from that, select Audio Project. You can use the same steps here as well. After you're satisfied, download the audio file. Repeat this process for each chapter of your book. For a professional audiobook, you'll want to edit the audio files. Import them into an audio editing software like Audacity or Adobe Audition. Here, you can remove unwanted pauses, normalize volume levels, and add intro or outro music. You can create a professional audiobook using Elevenlabs AI without hiring a voice actor or renting a studio. This makes audiobook production faster, more affordable, and accessible to independent authors and content creators. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.